donate.
So if it's Allah who guides whoever He wants, how's anything ever our fault? That's a very common question. Notice we usually use it as a cop-out, by the way. How's anything my fault? We never say, how's anything my credit? But in any case, we have to understand this concept as the Quran teaches us to, in light of all the other concepts, that Allah guides whomever He wills, but at the same time, we are accountable for our actions. So is there a way to reconcile between the two? Absolutely. Allah gave you enough of a to be accountable, but ultimately everything is in His hands. And so sometimes people see guidance and they turn a blind eye to guidance. They're arrogant with guidance, and so they're not entitled to unlimited chances. Same way death would end your chances after 70, 80 years. Sometimes the death of your heart comes earlier than that. That's why the Quran says, I turn away from my signs those that walk this earth with arrogance. And similarly, Allah says, when they turned away, we turned their hearts away. Perfect justice.